Life is going to be anything but boring today as we experience every emotion under the sun. Or is that under the moon? I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine for Planet Pulse on this Saturday, August 3rd. You know, I think you're right, but I think it's interesting. We talked last month quite a bit about this water grand trine, which is technically over. However, today we get an instant replay on it before we get pulled into some wild and crazy territory.
Well, the harmonious relationship of dreamy Neptune, responsible Saturn, and expansive Jupiter with active Mars was the grand trine of emotional depth and feeling last month. And today, the moon in her watery home sign of Cancer is re-triggering this important event.
And this is something we talk about often here on Planet Pulse, how faster moving planets like the moon or Mercury or Venus can often trigger slower planets that hold the pattern for a longer period of time. And today there are two distinct patterns being triggered. In the morning, the moon triggers the grand trine. And so we wake up in this kind of dreamy, sleepy, everything is sweet, hopeful. It's like our dreams feel real enough that we can just pluck them out of the air or off the tree and everything is good. And then the moon continues to move on and it picks up on the tougher square between Uranus and Pluto.
That's right. These outer planets, Uranus and Pluto, these planets of transformation, have been sitting in a tense relationship with one another since last year and will continue to do so for another 2 years. And the moon triggering them in the second part of the day is about intensity, uncertainty, and surprises. Basically, what that's saying is that if you want to create the heaven of your own dreams, you need to create a totally different kind of blueprint. It's not going to happen the way you expect it to happen.
I agree. And yet the wisdom of today may be to use the easy energy of the morning to actually regroup and to relax maybe even, so that when the energy picks up later in the afternoon, we're not exhausted, that we actually have enough inner reserve to go with it and to do what needs to be done. I'm Rick Levine.
And I'm Jeff Jower, inviting you to join Rick and me here every day for Planet Pulse.